E1000 is an online dripper for orchards, greenhouses, and nurseries. It consists of a body and a threaded cover. Three color-coded covers allow for easy identification of various flow rates. The outlet on the cover can be used with a branching adapter or with an easy-to-insert 3x5mm microtube. The water from the drip line enters the dripper through the filter at the bottom. The filter is located far from the tube wall, allowing the water to continuously flush it. From the filter, the water flows into the peripheral labyrinth and drips through the outlet to the plant. The E1000 dripper requires minimal maintenance. It can be unscrewed and rinsed without having to pause the irrigation process. It only takes seconds to clean the labyrinth. Once it is clear of dirt particles, the cap is screwed back on and the dripper is back to its normal operation. E1000 is used in a variety of applications. In orchards, the E1000 drippers can be inserted into a polyethylene pipe laid along the tree lines. In greenhouses and nurseries, a single dripper can irrigate several plants simultaneously with a 2 or 4 outlet adapter and a flow equalizing peg. This effective assembly provides a precise amount of water and nutrients to each plant. Another useful application is a single dripper with a microtube and a stabilizing peg inserted into the plant pot. E1000, the reliable irrigation choice